English step by step, gerunds and infinitives, step 4. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below. In the last videos in this series, we looked at verbs followed by gerunds. Now let's look at some verbs that are only followed by the infinitive of the verb. Now here we are talking about something called full infinitive. That means infinitive with to. So here are some examples. Here are the infinitives of the verbs: to go, to read, to help, to eat, to have. So let's look at the sentences. I need to go shopping. So after the verb need, we need infinitive. I began to read a book. He wants to help you. We can't afford to eat in that restaurant. Do you expect to have good weather on holiday? So there we have the verbs followed by infinitive: need, began, wants, can't afford, expect. So these are just some of the common verbs that are followed by infinitives. So now let's look at some more examples. Here are 5 more quite common verbs which use the infinitive: arrange, ask, fail, intend, would prefer. So let's look at the sentences. I've arranged to get my hair cut. They asked to use the toilet. She failed to solve the problem. I intended to arrive on time. They'd prefer to drink red wine. So all of these use the infinitive. So now you can practice this structure by doing this practice exercise. All of the verbs in this exercise use the infinitive, are followed by the infinitive. So look at the verbs in the list on the right and choose the appropriate verb for each sentence. So here are the verbs: clean, finish, help, listen, look, pay, sign, study. And remember, we're using the full infinitive. In other words, infinitive with to clean, to finish, to help, etc. So complete the sentences, fill in the gaps, choosing the correct verbs, and you can move on to the next video in this series in which I'll talk through the answers. I'll leave this exercise up for 1 minute so you can write down the answers, and of course you can pause the video if you need more time.